Hey everyone, this week it's all about four-wheel drives, and we're gonna take a look at the best DIY campers with this capability. Also, make sure you're subscribed for the best van life content. Let's get started with Jonah's build.
Well, hello, my name is Jonah Wade, and this is my 92 Jeep Cherokee. Its nickname is the Sender Mobile. So the box is three-quarter inch plywood that I built in a shop in the wintertime. Just lacquered it. Burnt it with a Tiger torch. Very simple, right? Let's check out the living area. So what we have here is a boot storage slash. There's like shackles, there's a tow rope, and other stuff you want to put underneath there, an axis saw. So what I did was my friend gave me a bed, just a very small bed for, well, it's a kid's bed, because I'm a short guy. So it's about 6 foot, it's about 6'1" long. And I actually put it against the back of the seat and it fits in there snug. Next, we got the cabinetry. We have, on the lower part of the cabinet here, I got three switches. I got one for the heater, one for the inverter, and another one for accessories. So if I want to hook up lights, if I want to hook up another inverter, anything that I want to hook up in the future. On top of that, I have my stove, and I can drive with that on there, but if I go down logging roads, I undo the gas canister and I'll put it on the bed, and I put everything that you see on the stove, I just put it right on the bed. And for drive mode, for like really rough logging roads. But I could just drive down the highway or drive around town like that, never falls off.
Next up is Paul's custom camper build on a Toyota Tacoma. Now it's one of the most unique setups we've seen, made of all aluminum. Let's check it out.
My name is Paul, and this is my 2016 Toyota Tacoma and my custom-built slide-in camper. The truck is basically stock, so wheels are all stock. There's been no suspension upgrades except for airbags in the back, just to keep it in its normal level configuration. On top of the camper, there are two solar panels. They're both 100 watt, and then there's just a roof vent. Hey everybody, let's check out the inside here. And then the pièce de résistance is the little Dickinson fireplace. You can maybe not see the flame in there, but it's sending out tons of heat right now. So I'm nice and roasty in here. And it's a super basic unit. It's very hard for them to not work. Facing the other way here, I was sitting on this, and now obviously that's the bed. There's a pillow at this end. It's only, I don't know, a couple of inches or 3 inches of foam, and there's a bit of a thermarest under it, and super comfortable. I sleep better on this than I did in the house. All my coffee stuff is down here, so I have my coffee in there, ground coffee, and just make it in my cup with a screen set up, and super basic.
Next up is a build done by Spence, who actually builds vans for a living. Now he took a old Toyota four-wheel drive van and converted it into a go anywhere weekender.
Hi, my name's Spence, and this is my 1991 Toyota Hiace. So when I started this build, I see a lot of camper vans that have the bench, the table, and to make the bed, you would have to, you know, put the cushion down, drop the table in between, put the cushion, get your bed. No. See, for me, I tend to drive until I physically can't anymore, so I'll just pull off the side of the road, and to set up my bed, all you gotta do is pull this leg out, twist this knob, and the bed just comes right down. Sleeping bag's already folded up, so you just open her up, and you're good to go to bed, just like that. And it's as easy as putting the bag up, lifting the whole assembly up there, latching the deadbolt, and putting up the legs again, and you're already ready to go.
That's it for this week. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you haven't seen this video yet, we rate the best vans for van life to make it easier for you to choose. Until next time, safe travels.